Hello students, welcome back to online classes. Standard 6 subject maths. Now let's see the question number 12. Two sides of triangle are 12 and 14 centimeter. The perimeter of the triangle is 36 centimeter. Then what is the third side? Now here triangle is there. Two sides of this triangle it is given. Third one we have to find out. And perimeter is also given. What is the perimeter? 36 centimeter. So let the length of third side be x centimeter. This one is x, 12 and 14. So we can use the formula of perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of triangle is equal to 36 centimeter. So is equal to 12 plus 14 plus x. So find out the value of x by solving the equation. That will be 10 centimeter. So the length of third side is 10 centimeter. Third question, 13th number, question number 13th. Find the cost of fencing a square park of side 250 meter at the rate of 20 rupees per meter. This is a square park. Side of this park is 250 meter. You have to find out the cost of fencing a square park. It means total length of this square. We have to find out. So find out the perimeter of square. 4 into side is equal to 4 into 250 is equal to 1000 meter. So cost of fencing square park, that is a per meter 20 rupees. Then for 1000 meter it is 20 into 1000. So it's a 20,000 meter. Question number 14. Find the cost of fencing a rectangular park of length 175 and breadth 125 at the rate of 12 rupees per meter. Rectangular park is there. It is same as the question number 13. First of all, find out the perimeter of rectangular park and then find out the cost. Because you need to find out the cost of fencing. And fencing means you have to fence the length of rectangular park. Question number 15. Sweetie runs around a square park of side 75 meter and Bulbul runs around a rectangular park with the length of 60 meter and breadth 45 meter. Who covers less distance? Two parks are given, square and rectangular. Now we have to find out who cover less distance. Distance it means length and length it means perimeter. So find out the perimeter of square and rectangular. So here according to the formula, length of perimeter of square is 300 meter and perimeter of rectangular park, that is a 210 meter. Compare both of them. You can see here that the Bulbul covers the less distance. Question number 14. What is the perimeter of each of the following figures? What do you infer from the answer? So here you have to find out the perimeter of each of the figure. It's okay. First one, square. It means 25 into 4. So what is the answer? 100 centimeter. For the second figure, 2 into 30 plus 20. Again it's 100. Here sum of all three sides 100 and here also it is 100. 2 into 10 plus 40. So it's 100. So perimeter of all four figures is the same. So we can say all the figures have same perimeter. Okay. Now question number 17. Avneet buys 9 squares paving slabs, each with a side 1 by 2 meter. He lays them in the form of a square. Total 9 slabs. 1. Here you can see that Avneet buys 9 slabs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, total 9 slabs he buys. Okay, first one. What is the perimeter of his arrangement? Okay, each side, length of each side is 1 by 2. Here it's 1 by 2, here it's 1 by 2. You have to find out perimeter. So you have to add them. So first this side you can take this side, then second, third and fourth. So 1 by 1 you have to add 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Okay. Okay, now look at here. You have to add these three sides, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Okay, that is for the one side. This is the second one, third and fourth. So total 4 sides, so you have to multiply by 4. So multiplication of 4. Now 1 by 2 one time, 2 time, 3 times. So you can write 3 by 2. Now solve it. 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. So what is the answer? 6 centimeter. Second one. Shari does not like his arrangement, this one. She gets him to lay them out like a cross. What is the perimeter of her arrangement? She arranged these blocks like a cross. Then what is the perimeter of this arrangement? Okay, you have to add all these sides because you have to consider each and every block, and sides of all these blocks is 1 by 2. Now add them up. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Consider this side. Next. Again. So this way you have to add. You have to consider all these sides. Okay, and you have to add them up and find out the answer. So your answer is given 10 centimeter. Third one, which has greater perimeter? Second arrangement has a greater perimeter. D. Avneet wonders if there is a way of getting an even greater perimeter. Can you find out a way of doing this? Yes, if all the squares are arranged in row, then perimeter will be 10 centimeters. So here you have to think of this one, that how you can arrange the blocks and you can get them greater perimeter. So you can arrange this 9 blocks in the row, in the form of row, this way 1 2 3, and try to find out the perimeter. What is the answer you are getting? So that is the answer. Now in the next lecture we will start 10.2. Thank you.